Hey guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. And ngayon guys, I'm super duper excited because I'm gonna do a nesting haul. I know guys, excited na din po kayo. And yeah, ngayon ipapakita ko po sa inyo yung mga nabili ko na sa baby ko. And by the way guys, I'm 34 weeks pregnant na. So malapit na talaga. And I'm so happy kasi nakabili na ako ng mga gamit ni baby, mga damit, mga diaper. And yeah, ipapakita ko po sa inyo guys yung mga nabili ko. So just keep on watching guys ha. Okay guys, madaming nag-request sa inyo na mag-Tagalog daw ako. So I'm gonna try my best guys to speak Tagalog or English para maka-understand din po kayo. Sige na guys, mag-video na ta. So ito yung nabili ko lahat guys. And I'm gonna try to show everything to you guys. Guys, ang dami talaga guys. And actually, this is everything I bought na. So, I was actually vlogging po, like nesting vlog. So, just go check out my other videos to see the vlog nung bumili kami nito. First, ito guys, sobrang cute nito. I still have to wash everything, but don't worry, may detergent na ako for, mga damit sa bata. Ito guys, this is actually for newborn. Bumili kasi ako ng mga newborn guys. Pero konti lang. But the rest sa mga damit na binili ko is 3 to 6 months na. Kasi, ayun nga. I've learned my lesson guys. Kasi sa Emily, madami siyang newborn na damit. Pero hindi niya nagamit lahat guys. Kasi, dali yun muda ko ang mga bata. I also got this one. This one also, this is for newborn. Ito guys, sobrang cute. And this one is, I don't know if kita ba mga sa vlog before. This one is so cute, guys. Tignan nyo yan. This is for 6 months. Tignan nyo, guys. For 6 months siya. Apat na siya, guys, for $8.99. Original price nito, guys, is $30 and naka 70% off po ako. Bili namin to ni Mama Iching sa Carter's. And to pa. Yan. Same repod ni guys, $70 off. Madami pang damit dito, day. Dahan pa kayig sa nina. And need ko pa siya labhan lahat, guys. Meron din po akong pants dito. This is for $6. And this one is for newborn. And ito is for 3 months. 1 to 3 months. Yan. And here, my set din. May ano na siya, underwear, dress, and may hat na din siya. And another set. I'm planning to use this for her, koan guys, going home outfit. Diba? Sobrang cute talaga. This one, tignan nyo yan. Sobrang cute. Diba? Nabili ko siya sa TJ Maxx and ano siya, $22 but nag-sale siya for $10. So, and meron din nito guys, this is a set. Yan, my pants, jacket, ganito. And my headband na din siya. This is for 6 to 9 months. And this for newborn, diba? So, mix na yung binili ko guys. Guys, huwag niyo akong sabihan guys na Erica, hindi yan magagamit lahat ng baby. Sobrang dami naman yan. Guys, I'm just a girl. I'm just a mom. So, pasagdiin na lang ko ninyo guys. Magamit ra lagi ni tanan. This one pod guys. Nabili ko siya kahapon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 set for ano to? $7. Not bad, diba? It's for, 6 to 9 months. Lahi jod na size ako ipalit para magamit gyud tanan. And this one, it's so cute. Tignan nyo to, guys. Sobrang cute. Red. Kaniray red na akong napalit kasi mostly is pink talaga siya. So, got this one. This is for 3 to 6 months. 3 sets siya for $5.99. Diba? So demure bakla. Actually, guys, sa mga ganito, feel ko kulang pa talaga siya. Guys, this is for newborn. Cute! So cute! Nakasave yun kong daghan kasi madaming sale dito, guys. Madaming sale, madaming clearance, and of course, ato ta sa mga sale. Also got this one. I think mauna siya akong napalit sa Target. This one, little sister. Yes, mas malaki na siya. Bigger size na siya. This is for $5. Also got this one sa Carter's. This one is for newborn. I think 3 to 6 months na siya. Yes, 3 to 6 months. So this is for $7. And this one, actually, I'm planning to add or to buy more mga ingani. Today socks, guys. I forgot. Need ko pa din mag-buy ng more mittens. Mittens ba na? Is that what it's called ba? By the way, guys, I forgot to tell you na lahat nito, guys, nabili ko siya sa Burlington, TJ Maxx, Marshalls, Ross, and Target. Yes, dai. Laisyo gyud siya, guys. Like, girly talaga siya. As in, makita nyo yun ni mo tanan din. So, moving on. Bumili din ako ng ganito, guys. O, diba? Sobrang cute niya talaga, girl. Daghan na kay kong labhan, dai. I think I'm gonna wash this today para, so I can start arranging baby Emery stuff. I also got this one. I think I'm gonna add more Annie for swaddles. But I also bought the regular kuan lang. Katong nipis na for swaddles gani. Oh, another one. So cute, guys. Tagpila ni siya. $6 sa ning kuan duha. Ay, actually, kanito lo $6 sa siya dahil. So, fights na. And for the blankets, guys, sobrang cute ng mga blankets, dahil. As in, sobrang cute talaga ng mga blankets. Okay, so, for the blankets, I got this one. Diba? Sobrang cute. May kasama na siyang neck pillow. And this is for... I'm gonna try to show you guys all the, or tell you guys all the prices. This is for $10. Sobrang ganda niya, guys. So, this is from TJ Maxx. Oh, blanket din siya, guys, na may kasamang tatlong headband. So, yeah. And another blanket. Blanket. Diba, pink tanan, dahil. Pink na tanan. And another blanket. Meron din siyang kasamang headband. Guys, need ko talaga mag-buy ng, yung lalagyanan ng mga headbands para naka-decorate siya. Sobrang cute din ito, guys. As in, ito oh. Tignan nyo yan, bakla. Hello Kitty. Oh my gosh. 12-piece set, hats, mittens, socks, and bibs. So, I got this for $10. Price niya is $20, but I got it for $10 sa Ross. So cute! Ang cute na, day. Set na siya, day. And, guys, nakatago to siya, guys. Good thing, nakita ko siya. Kasi, gitaguan yun siya. Sorry. If kinsa man nagtaguan ni, sorry, ako ang nakuha. Hello Kitty! O, tatlong headband na may tatlong mittens. Oh my gosh. I'm so happy I got this for $5. Guys, happy kayo ko, guys. And, by the way, before ko to hinol sa inyo, ako siyang gihol una ni Dominic and Emily. And Emily was so happy. She was like, wow, wow, wow. And she was, showing me her dress and stuff. So, I'm so happy, guys. I'm so happy. Thank you so much, Lord. Thank you to everyone. So, I also got this one, guys. Oh, diba? Nabili ko siya for $12. Meron akong nakita na ganito sa Target. And sobrang mahal niya, guys. Sobrang mahal. Around $30. And when we went to Ross yesterday, nakita ko to. And this is only for $12, guys. And bumili ako nito kasi I also had one nung si Emily. Mayroong ganito din si Emily and super ganda niya, guys. As in, gamit na gamit talaga siya. Especially, katong na nga ni sa Emily, gamit gid keto siyang Emily. So, I got this one also. So, moving on. Dito na tayo sa mga swaddles and mga trapo. Kanang pang bed. Ang say tawag na pang trapo sa lawas ni baby. Agay! Okay, so I have this one, guys. This is a swaddle also. So I think I'm gonna bring this sa hospital. I'm gonna put this sa hospital bag on. Of course, again, I have to wash it pa. Ano agad, guys? TJ Maxx, Burlington, Ross, Marshalls, ano agad. And I also got this one, guys. Baby bath set. Yan, baby bath set siya, guys. Oh my gosh, hindi nila tinanggalan, guys. Ang saan mo ni siya pagtanggal. And this one, this is for swaddles, guys. 3-piece na din siya. Another swaddle, pero kani siya, different color siya. Murag, kuan siya kanang aesthetic siya dahil. Ito, guys, pang burp ni Nia, trapo ni Nia. Pila ni kabo? Upat for $5. And more washcloth. O, diba? Daghan kayo, guys. Guys, bumili din ako ng hangers for sa mga damit ni babies. Pero mayroon namang hangers yung iba, guys. So, I'm just gonna keep that also because I'm pretty sure magagamit ko pa din yan. 4 nito. I also got Johnson's. Ito yung ginamit ko for Emily. Mayroong baby lotion. And wash and shampoo. But I'm planning to buy some Cetaphil also. You know? And by the way, guys, nagpabili din ako ng mga baby oils. Yung Tiny Buds ba yun? Yung mga kasi yun din yung gamit ko ni baby Emily and I love it so much. Ganahan ko. So, nagpabili din ako doon. And bumili din ako ng ganito. Actually, guys, may kulang pa yung ko. May kulang pa na sterilizer, crib, what else? Stroller and car seat. So, if mag-buy na kami ni Daddy, guys, I'm gonna vlog it also and I'm gonna show it to you guys po. And actually, kana siya is I'm just waiting for Daddy to get back here so we can buy that stuff na. Pero mao na lang man akong kulang po. Gamay na lang yun kay kong kulang, guys. Ito, guys. Ito din yung gamit ni baby Emily. So, I super duper like this one. Hindi pala siya nakasale. Pero nabili ko siya sa Ross. Ano na siya? Wait, I'm gonna open it. Oh my, ganito na siya, guys. O, diba? Ganito talaga yung gamit ni baby Emily. Mayroon siyang pacifier, but I'm not gonna let my baby Emily use pacifier because kanang ngipon, guys, o ganang mangyana. Because kana sa Emily, never din yan nag-pacifier, guys. Yes, sa Emily never. And may kasama na din siyang ganito, yung mga maliit. And bumili ako nito sa Target. Ito, 3 siya, pero yung bigger, yung 260 ml siya, guys. And nabili ko din siya, ito din, guys, nabili ko din siya sa Ross. Yan. 150 ml siya. I also got this one, guys, pink one. So, let's show it's giving. And this too, ito, guys, is baby health care and grooming kit. So, meron na siyang baby comb, baby brush, gunting, what else? Meron na din po siyang nail clipper. I also got this one sa Ross for $4. This is a formula dispenser, guys. So, next, guys, I bought this. Ito, guys. Itong dalawa. And I also got this one sa, guys. I forgot where I bought this one. Yeah, sa Target, sorry. So, ito, pangligo ni baby, nothing. Wala na lang nako siya gibongga-bongga, guys, kay pangligo raman po siya. And this is for 0 to 6 months man po. This one, guys, bumili din ako ng ganito. Guys, if you haven't watched my vlog, when, sa nesting vlog ko, make sure to watch it. Marong, kuan, guys, garbage truck. Okay, but yeah, I also got this one. Maybe I'm gonna make a video opening this one. Pero yeah, I got this one kasi tag 70. Nangita ko yan sa Amazon. And mostly is $100. And this is so cute, guys. As in, cute kaya siya ang color. Ang cute niya din. So, I got this for $70. Around that. Ito, guys, I need to buy more, but ito muna yung binili ko. This is the Pampers. Bumili na ako ng Pampers, guys. 136 diapers na siya. So, this is for, newborns. And I also got this one. Wait. Hi! I also got this one, guys. Wipes. By the way, this is fragrance-free. Fragrance-free siya, guys. Just like what I use for Baby Emily. Fragrance-free po to siya. So, this is 7 kabok, 7 packs. And sa wipes then, I still have to buy more. So, basically, yung kulang ko, guys, is mayroon pa akong kulang ng mga alcohol, mga cotton buds, mga cottons, kanang pang-hygiene stuff. So, I still have to buy more of that. Murag idungan na ako palit ni buy na ko more diapers and more wipes. So, yeah, yun yung mga nabili ko, guys, for Baby Emery. Again, mayroon pa siyang kulang, pero at least kunti na lang, guys. Yeah, maura to, guys, ang haul, akong nesting haul. So, I can't wait, guys. I'm super duper excited. And of course, I want to say thank you to you guys. And of course, to Papa Jesus. Thank you so much. Thank you, Lord. Thank you kayo sa tanan-tanan. Thank you for all the blessings. Thank you so much. So, salamat yun kayo, everyone. Thank you so much. As in, guys, ako maingon ra gyud ninyo. Thank you. Hasta sa Ginoo. Thank you kaayo. I'm so happy, guys, kasi nabibili ko yung mga gamit ni Baby Emery. Not only ni Baby Emery, but also Baby Emily. Yan. Mga gamit nila, guys. I get to buy it with our own money. And I'm so grateful for that. I'm so happy. And yeah, thank you kayo, everyone. That's it for my nesting haul. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And yeah, thank you, guys. I know excited na pud mo makakita ni Baby Emery. And I'm also excited to see her na. Pila na lang ka weeks, maybe 3 or 4 weeks left. Yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. And if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you, guys. Thank you so much. Oops. Bye. Thank you.